Hey, I just wanted to share with you because I'm excited about all the live events we have going on in the gathering. So, we're in the gathering here in the gathering exclusive events area. And so, you might know that we've got an art journal collage workshop coming up this Wednesday. At the end of every month, we do a live Zoom after party after the slow drawing. So we get together, everyone can see each other live on Zoom. We go back over the pattern and we can share, do questions, share our work, our what ifs, and ends up being somewhat of an art coaching as well. So that's really fun. We do at least once a month a quiet co-working where we work quietly together. I love that so much. It's been really powerful for people showing up for their art practice and me. We're going to have a party to finish out the Peaceful Patterns challenge together on August 23rd, and then our after party on the last Wednesday there. In September, we've got a quiet co-working, our after party, and then a surprise art workshop. You don't even know what that one is. So that's going to be super fun. October, there's a quiet co-working and an after party. So like as we get further out in the months, I'm letting myself have a little time to see both what I'm in the mood for and what I'm hearing from the community and what they would like. So you'll see that it's like not quite as many, but there's a quiet co-creating and an after party at least for each. And then in December, we've got an end of year finishing party. We did that last year for the folks who were back on Patreon, and that was super duper fun. Like, really great opportunity to get together right before the holidays, work on some art together, finish up some unfinished projects, and feel like we have a sense of completion art-wise for the year. That was really great. And then, of course, another quiet co-creating. So if any of this looks exciting to you and you'd love to have this kind of art community and support where we get together live and have the recordings as well, we would absolutely love to have you. It is such a great community, and it's been exciting seeing the response. And every time someone new joins, people are, like, oh, it's so wonderful here, and we're so happy to have you. And it's just super welcoming and warm and such a great place to get support around our art practice. So we hope that you join us if that feels great for you, and see you soon. Bye.